Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's review of this XGIMI Horizon Ultra 4K projector. Imagine walking into a movie theater, surrounded by friends and family, as the curtains part to reveal a breathtaking cinematic experience. The big screen glows with lifelike colors, the sound system envelopes you in an immersive atmosphere, and you feel as though you're right there in the heart of the action. But what if I told you that you can recreate this experience in the comfort of your own home with this XGIMI Horizon Ultra? The truth is, traditional home theaters have historically been limited by their bulky design, complicated setup, and hefty price tags. But with the rise of cutting-edge smart projectors like this XGIMI Horizon Ultra, the home theater revolution is changing the way we consume entertainment. These sleek, high-tech devices pack a punch, delivering cinematic quality visuals and soundscapes that will leave you and your loved ones in awe. Now, let's dive into what makes this XGIMI Horizon Ultra a standout in the world of smart projectors. Upon unboxing, the first thing that struck me was the product's premium design and build quality. The sleek, minimalist aesthetic is complemented by a durable construction that exudes a sense of luxury. Weighing in at approximately 7.1 kilograms, this projector feels substantial in your hands, radiating a sense of sturdiness that's hard to ignore. The Horizon Ultra's controls are intuitive and user-friendly, with a simple interface that makes navigation a breeze. A subtle LED strip running along the base of the projector serves as a gentle indicator of its status, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. In terms of connectivity, you'll find a variety of ports including HDMI, USB-A, and Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless integration with your home network and a range of compatible devices. Now that we've addressed the design and usability aspects, let's dive deeper into this XGIMI Horizon Ultra's features, which set it apart from the competition. One of the most impressive aspects of this projector is its use of dual light technology, an innovative combination of LED and laser light sources. This ingenious blend produces visuals with exceptional color accuracy, ultra-high brightness, and a vast color gamut that's nothing short of breathtaking. The 4K resolution, paired with Dolby Vision, ensures that every detail shines through with unbridled clarity. The result is an immersive viewing experience that draws you in and refuses to let go. With this XGIMI Horizon Ultra's 2300 ISO lumens of brightness, even the most challenging lighting conditions become a non-issue, as the projector effortlessly cuts through glare and ensures picture-perfect viewing. But that's not all. This projector is also equipped with Harman Kardon speakers, delivering a sonic experience that's as convincing as it is immersive. The two 12-watt speakers, strategically placed to create optimal stereo separation, fill the room with a rich, crystal-clear sound that perfectly complements the visuals. Another notable feature is the projector's active 3D capability, which, when paired with a compatible 3D source, transports you into a world of cinematic realism like never before. This is particularly impressive for gamers, as it enables a more immersive and engaging experience that draws you directly into the action. Now, let's take this XGIMI Horizon Ultra for a spin in some real-world testing scenarios. Imagine setting up a cozy home cinema in your living room, with a 120-inch screen and comfortable seating for the whole family. You start by streaming a 4K title on Netflix, marveling at the razor-sharp details and vivid colors as they leap off the screen. The sound system comes alive, enveloping the room in a rich, immersive experience that makes you feel as though you're right there in the midst of the action. But what about gaming? This XGIMI Horizon Ultra's performance is equally impressive, supporting the latest HDR10 and HLG formats, which deliver the crispest, most detailed images available. Whether you're playing an action-packed blockbuster or a fast-paced sports game, this projector keeps up with ease, rendering every frame with stunning clarity. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. The XGIMI Horizon Ultra is not without its limitations, such as a somewhat limited color range in low-light conditions and the occasional minor artifact in 4K content. However, these issues are minor and unlikely to detract from the overall viewing experience. In comparison to competing smart projectors on the market, This XGIMI Horizon Ultra stands out for its unique combination of features, exceptional build quality, and affordable price point. Other high-end projectors often come with heftier price tags and may require complex installations or additional equipment to reach peak performance. So, what's the final verdict? In my honest opinion, this XGIMI Horizon Ultra is an incredibly powerful, versatile, and feature-rich smart projector that's poised to revolutionize home entertainment as we know it. With its cutting-edge technology, premium build quality, and sleek design, it's the perfect companion for movie nights, gaming sessions, and family gatherings alike. If you're in the market for a high-quality home theater projector that won't break the bank, look no further than this XGIMI Horizon Ultra. Trust me when I say that, once you've experienced the cinematic magic of this projector for yourself, you'll never want to go back to traditional viewing methods. The XGIMI Horizon Ultra is more than just a device. It's an immersive gateway to a world of boundless entertainment possibilities, waiting to be explored and enjoyed with friends and family alike.